Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change Microsoft PowerToys settings step by step. Whether you want to customize a specific utility, adjust keyboard shortcuts, or change how PowerToys behaves, everything can be managed from the settings panel. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerToys on your Windows computer. You can launch it from the Start menu or by clicking its icon in the system tray if it's already running. Once the application opens, you'll see a list of available utilities on the left side of the window. Next, click the feature you want to customize. For example, you can select FancyZones, Always on Top, PowerRename, Keyboard Manager, or any other utility. Each section contains its own settings, allowing you to enable or disable the feature, change shortcuts, and adjust other options based on your preferences. If you want to modify General Application Settings, click General from the sidebar. Here you can change options like Run at Startup, check for updates, enable Administrator Mode, and configure other app-wide preferences. These settings affect how PowerToys works across your entire system. As you make changes, PowerToys saves most settings automatically, so there's usually no need to click a Save button. After updating a setting, test the feature to make sure it behaves the way you expect. If needed, you can always return and make additional adjustments later, and that's it. You now know how to change Microsoft PowerToys settings and customize the application to better fit your workflow. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.